Hello, my name is Nina, and this is my cat, Pushkin. He is 15 years old. A couple months ago, he was dying. He stopped eating. He stopped going to the bathroom. He started throwing up white foam. Then we took him to the vet. Paid $600, found nothing wrong with him. We came home, we started to look for solutions, and we came across a video of this lady who had a similar situation to Pushkin. She started giving him Laminine, and like this.
So when lady gave him his cat Laminine, she was able to cure him?
Yes, she was able to cure him with.
So how many you give it to and how you doing? Could you show?
Yes, of course. So we do like this.
So you open capsule? Okay. But he wasn't able to eat himself, right? So you give this...
He wasn't able to eat by himself, so we had to give him food with a syringe.
Okay. So you got idea, okay. So you mix it full capsule?
Yes, mix a full capsule with water.
Great. But this is animal product or it's for everyone?
It's for everyone, not just for animals. It's for...
Can you show the bottle?
Humans too. Well, this